2013 Audi Q7 3.0T Quattro S-Line Prestige Blue for sale through Used Cars Group. This 2013 Audi Q7 3.0 Quattro S-Line Prestige Auto 3.0T Quattro S-Line Prestige 4-Doctor SUV Blue features 4 doors, Auto V6 3.00L, 3-point seat belts, 4-wheel disc brakes, adjustable headrests, adjustable pedals, adjustable steering wheel, air conditioning, air suspension, anti-lock brakes, auto-dimming mirror, automatic headlights, beverage holder, braking assist, cargo cover, center console, child seat anchors, compass, cup holder, daytime running lights, door pockets, double wishbone suspension, electronic brake force distribution, first aid kit, floor mats, fog lights, front airbags, driver, front side airbags, dual, full-size spare tire, hands-free Bluetooth integration, heated mirrors, high-intensity discharge headlights, hydraulic brakes, independent suspension, integrated garage door opener, intermittent wipers, leather steering wheel, locking differential, navigation system, power mirrors, power outlet,